Hi, it's Rowan Samuel, your Naples realtor with John R. Wood Properties and the Samuel team in Naples, Florida. We're here today at Black Bear Ridge, which is a stock construction community in North Naples. And we actually have a listing here at 7339 Acorn Way, but I'm just going to do a little drive around so you get an idea of what some of these homes look like. Just click below on the link if you'd like some more information about Black Bear Ridge as far as the resales in here. You can also visit us online at www.lovingnaples.com or 239-298-3555 or 239-537-3732. So there is a small clubhouse in the front of the community. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of what some of these single family homes in here look like. Thanks for watching.